Judge Frank Caprio, beloved by millions for his compassion and fairness, has passed away at the age of 88. Known worldwide as the face of cause and Providence, Judge Caprio brought humanity and kindness to the courtroom like no other. His unique approach to justice made him a viral sensation, touching hearts with his empathy, humor, and understanding. Born in 1936, Frank Caprio dedicated decades to serving the community of Providence, Rhode Island, where he became a symbol of fairness and hope. He often waived fines for those struggling financially and listened to people's stories with genuine care. Social media turned him into an international icon, and people admired his ability to balance justice with mercy. Today, fans and followers from around the globe mourn his passing, remembering him not just as a judge,